You have done some very cool things already in this repo that we're sharing. And it is a bit crazy. I know that I showed you the README Markdown. People looked inside of that, and that's kind of crazy, that Markdown language. And I think it was confusing because that gets converted to something you can view, whereas the index file, though it's HTML, there was no preview. And I think that was very confusing, and I am sorry about that. But I did want to show you a little bit about what happens if I click on something that's going on here. This was an example of a merge request that was made, and I'm going to take a look at it. This was Lina S. was wanting to put a line in right under Tia's, and this was showing that merge request. And when I take a look at it, I actually look at this forked version that came from the version that I have. And I already did merge that request. And we're going to see that we have other requests that are out there. And I can certainly take a look at some of the things that have gone on with merging and closing, and many of them are my own. But I think something that you're going to really like is visual representations like this that can show us basically this timeline and these little patches that get made and what happens with them. Some of them aren't going anywhere. Some of them haven't been merged yet. Some of them have merged with themselves, or I shouldn't say with themselves, but this version that Maggie has of what's going on with the code is pretty interesting. Notice that I can click on anything here and put them in a different position when we're looking at this picture. I know it's not the be-all, end-all of representations, but it's pretty fun to play with, and I just wanted to show you how much we've got going on already. So stay tuned, because we're going to make a great app, and we're going to be able to use this tool more. It takes a little while to get used to it. We'll just take it as